Today, I am gonna do what no one has ever done. Corrupt poker night at the inventory.
WrestleMan!
Let's see
WrestleMan!
what
I
happens.
like those hack wrestlers.
Wait,
Not
did
like
you
Iron
see his
Sheik.
hand?
No, not like the Iron Steak. He's a lure.
Was that
Hack
intended, or is that...
This is
just
too
part
bad.
of the normal game?
I'm
I
in.
don't know. You know. Oh! Oh! Oh god!
No.
Oh god! The corruptor is
I'm
doing
folding
its
these.
thing.
Call it! Boom! Call it! Boom! I'm inside your head!
Why you say quiet? Oh. It's a boy. Oh god, not everything is ready. Oh god. Maybe I shouldn't have went so intense.
Alright! It's the head.
Did you
I only
see
play
that?
red cards.
The,
I mean,
he's
good
fighting for the chair. What? It's green! It's
Has
green!
been eliminated.
It's all green now!
Think of all the
Maybe you might want to
I
speak
hope
up a
this is
bit.
all right.
Tycho's green now. He's like the only one that's affected by the lighting, since he works so differently. Oh god, oh. Modern design choices. Alright. Mostly just a lighting issue. Why are the speculators? Why are the specs getting freaky?
I'm holding this crap.
Is that part?
This treehouse of yours.
Holy shit! Oh my god! We got the PP side pot.
Foldsville.
Oh hell yeah. Oh, they're... Hey, speak up.
Let me just recall what to do for my
Alright.
patent.
Yeah! Oh, the table isn't
The
finished.
player has a pair of sixes. Strong bad has a pair of sixes. Strong bad wins the hand.
Strong and bad. How is boxing career?
These
Oh,
are...
Her foot is facing for the floor. Oh, well, oh god. Jeez Louise.
Ah,
The player Tycho wins the hand.
see, I actually know how to play this game.
The player has been eliminated from play.
If it matters, I never thought you could win.
Oh my days.
Tonight's stakes will be
Whoa! Oh
$10,000.
god.
I'm folding these.
What? Okay, this is a bit of a rare one.
Ooh, coming. Cool.
Yeah.
Oh.
Crap.
Oh,
I will fold.
The player wins the hand.
the heavy pops in occasionally.
Shit.
Coming. Cool.
If I was capable of Louis and give him one,
Don't worry about me not playing, guys. I'm gonna keep folding, so you don't have to. You can take
God.
it later.
Cards be so big.
The player wins the hand.
Concerning your firearm,
Big,
what sort of
like
caliber
what?
are we talking? 300
Bigger.
Weatherby mag here? 50 cal, thereabouts?
Bigger than 50 caliber. They are handmade custom
Why is
to
that?
cut. The enemy
Look at the
cannot
chips.
classify diameter, but Sasha can
Diabolical.
shoot through there. I think so.
Okay, I raise. Heck
The
yeah!
player has strong bad has two. Strong bad wins
Of
the
course
hand.
I've got the best.
Just real quick. Yeah, I don't think this is repairable. No! Whoa! Holy! Dude, oh my god. He's ascending. Oh my god! Oh! Oh, Heavy is murked. Oh, the cards are bent. Oh, oh my god. Oh, he got scrum-bongled. I know that sounds like a oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Damn it! um... She doesn't even exist! Oh my god! I think I need to... Yeah, it's a lost cause. It's a lost cause. This is purgatory. This is pokertory. Look. Oh. Oh god. SFM animations be like... Oh! Bet you can't beat that. Oh, his cards just phase for the floor. Alright, we're playing poker against broken ambient occlusion. I'll check. I thought he was naked for a sec. I can't even bet anymore. I have no choice. I can't even read his face. I can't even read the facial expressions anymore. Oh, I'm seriously considering my life choices right now. Shit, that's a terrifying GUI. Oh god. Whoa. The game is just adjusting. Oh shit. Whoa! Holy shit! Oh, I think we're having a little bit of a seizure. Yeah, I got the TF2 deck, but was it worth it? I'll just go to the alleyway now.